If you like birds, if you like spacecraft, if you like trains, if you like other aircraft and simulations, this video is for you. All right, believe it or not, my wife and I document alien activity here at Port St. Lucie. Our cameras show us what's here. Okay, these birds are not from Earth. They've been with me for a year now. Okay, they're showing you what's here and more. Okay, every bird on the screen is not from Earth, believe it or not. Beautiful, beautiful. Okay, back up to the UFO. Oh, the bird's showing me. I don't know. It's right there. I just can't see it again. It should be in the center of the screen. Oh, I see the screen's jerking, so I'm gonna get the data on this one too. So if you guys see that one, let me know. Seriously, what are you guys doing? They're here. It's McCarlan. I'm glad you guys are here. Yep, I know exactly who you are. So, here they are again. Today's the 9th. I'll start this video off. So, today's the birds and whatever else they want to make, okay? Right. Okay, if I follow the bird, you should see the aircraft. I can barely see. Beautiful though. Hold on. Pretty sure you're right there. Yeah, it's my friend, close friend, by the way. You should barely see. I'm really hoping. Really hoping you're centering yourself. These birds are not from Earth. So I don't want to keep filming because I don't know if I have you on there or not. I'll see you in a bit. 3 red lights, whatever that means. It's going through the crossing. Nothing down there. I don't understand it. 3 red lights. I don't know. Nobody knows what 3 red lights mean. They do. Beautiful. So, 3 red lights. Don't know. Got you, center. Oh, it's cute. I'm showing you stuff. It's windy again. Hard to see today. Let's just look over there real quick. Very pretty. Flying on by. Where are you going? I don't know what's going on. Don't know. Catch you through the window now. No. I need to get some sunglasses or something. These birds are getting hard to see. Coming over. Beautiful. I can see like this. I think you're fuzzing though. Again, you see these birds all the time. All the time. Pretty sun here. I know who you are. That means something's coming. You never know. There is an aircraft coming. Oh, there it is. They're showing me. It's so hard for me to see this right now. It's out there. I guarantee it. Where are you going? So you either see the birds and it is the aircraft. But they're the same thing, really. They really are. We'll get the next one. I know you. Anything else? Oh, there's another one. I think I can see this one better. Should be centered. I'm waiting for my screen to do something so I can see. It's just so bright right now. So we had the sun, we had alien birds, we simulated whatever that is over there. Anything else? Okay. I hear you. There you are. Perfect. Thank you. I can see this one. Jesus Christ. Okay, that's what they look like. Just slow it down, okay? All you have to do. Slow it down. It's not an aircraft. It'll give you tracking in a second. You're gone totally now. Oh, you're still there. I said they're so hard to see. That's why. So my camera shows you this. I'm doing it for a year. I'm gonna get tracking. Watch the gates. Look what's coming. Maybe nothing's coming. It's a slow train. Hi. Zoom along, beautiful. Look down there. There are 3 red lights again. Behind me, it's working. I don't understand this. I'm pretty sure I can see the gates that are up. And I'm pretty sure that 3 red lights means you don't go. You can still see the, look, 3 red lights going right through it. I don't understand. I don't hear anything again. Okay, the crossing is right there. It's before the lights. You can see right there. I don't get it. How are you? Windy for you, huh? I'll see you. Thank you, sir. The light's filming still. Alright. I saw you over there too. You want to show me this? I want you guys to see this. Flying on by. I hear that. I hear it. Just don't see it. Oh, there you are. Oh! There's my friend again. Don't get caught having this Same little aircraft you see all the time. They're gonna keep doing this. Okay? They're gonna keep doing this until the government realizes what they're doing. Be sure that they know. Okay? Okay? My camera shows you what they are. That's what they look like. Just entangled. They're little, I don't know what it means. They're all doing the same thing. Little spacecraft that hook together, they form a projection of an aircraft. Okay, Jensen Beach again. We're not alone. There's birds here too. Lots of birds. Cool. This entire thing here, if we can see it now, is down. I'm not going to get tracking on this one, but these are cool, but you see, at least the bird's flying in front of it. Look, what are the odds the bird's going to, fly right in front of it? I made this. Yes, they did. Lots of them. Thank you for making that. Very pretty. All right, see you later. Oh, that's it. Okay. Did you guys make that aircraft? Look. I don't know if you can see it. There's an aircraft flying by. Okay. And then look at the background. How are you guys doing? I like your aircraft. I'm going to get tracking, okay? super center. All back there. Look at this. I don't know what they're doing. What are you doing? I don't know. They're all circling over here too. Yep, I know. The whole bunch is not. I'm gonna run in the store. Don't surprise me. Yeah, go ahead, surprise me. Right over. There's some land. Yeah, there you are. Below the moon. And right on over there. More super center. Again, they're not what you think they are. Keep track again. Okay, either is this. Thank you. Remember, just here for a reason. There's my friend again. Buzzing. It's okay. I'd rather have you buzz, at least I know who you are. Okay? On top of Walmart. Saying hi. I'm gonna make a whole day of collection. You are seriously buzzing still. Here's more. Oh, there we go. You don't even need to slow it down. Okay? These are little spacecraft connected together, making it like a projection, just like a regular LCD projection. I will get tracked. There we go. See as it flies away. And, you know, as not just here. There's thousands, hundreds of thousands actually, of this one civilization alone. Right now, I told you, experts are in charge. Believe it or not. It's the aircraft. I have to go. I really do have time. Thank you for the aircraft. Thank you. And whatever, human. Beautiful. How close they are now? Okay. Look how beautiful these birds are. By the way, underneath the wing, I wanted to show you something. I know it's hard for them to hold. It's pretty windy, but they're holding pretty steady. They're not speed birds, so it's something else going on here. I don't know who you are. Look. Buzzball again. Well, when they actually disappear, this is kind of how they do it. But there should be on the fuzz right. Another beautiful bird coming over. Oh, there we go. You just hold it here. They can just line themselves up. Beautiful. The whole row. I have to recharge her. Got you. Beautiful. A lot of background. I see you over there. Look at this. Over here too. See how they're turning for you? That's what I get when you do it like that. As long as you're not fuzzy. beautiful. Yeah, that's where John Farmer. Definitely not. I'll see you in a little bit. Space Invaders tonight. We're gonna play Atari Space Invaders, and then we're gonna watch Close Encounters of the Third Kind. Okay. Tracking's at the end. Sorry about the audio. Buzzing. Okay. I'd rather have you buzz since I know who you are. Okay. On top of Walmart. Say hi. I'm gonna make a whole day of collecting cars. Here's more. There we go. When it does that, slow it down, okay? Seriously, slow down. I swore I saw some birds over there. Yeah, I did. I don't know where they went. I don't know. I don't see birds. I don't know what that is. Sometimes it's birds. And they're fuzzing in and out of reality. I won't say anything other than that. Yeah, I know what you are. It's going straight across. Look at the birds. Okay. Look all the birds behind it. Right across the parking lot. Again, it's not what you think it is, okay? Alright, next one, it's right over. Almost right over. There it goes again. Slow that down. Slow that down. Show us what there. Again, show you. Same thing at nighttime, okay? This is what they look like. Okay? That's all they look like. Let's make it back out again. My camera shows me what's here. That simple. And like I said, above us is something very, very large. It's really hard to see right now. But it is. Everything is simulated. Alright, track. Walmart Supercenter, right behind the store. I heard you flying over from inside, so I'm going to check this. I'm going to check this, okay? This little guy right there. Okay, right. Look, you still see him. Look at that guy. Looking at the beautiful moon. Look at that now. They're really showing you this. Walmart Supercenter, Lucie Florida. Again. I'm looking around real fast. Look how pretty this is. Nice, pretty colors tonight. A little more purpler though. Alright, back up to the moon. You guys are breaking it out. They are really doing it now. Remember, my camera shows me what's here, believe it or not. Lucie Florida, Walmart Supercenter. Today's the 9th.